Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and let me show you, let me enter the photo mode. I hope that you can see this golden spiral. This is a special type of the grid line, and I've applied it before I've started the recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So the golden spiral should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom. Under this video section, we've got the option Restore to Defaults. So let's tap on it, and let's tap on it again. As you can see, actually nothing happened here, but after getting back to the camera, we can see that this golden spiral immediately disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.